for cough and cold. Stay tuned, guys. When our kids get sick, we as a parent are also worried and try to find different ways to make them feel better. Hi guys, my name is Bhumi Yagnik. Welcome to Way to Connect. So today I'm sharing 5 home remedies that can help in cough and cold for kids. It's very easy to make and it's really helpful. I mean, it helps me and my kids. I usually try not to give any medication to my kids unless it's really required. But you are the best judge, you are the parent, so make sure what your child needs and best suits for your child. See the doctor if it's required. But let's get started with this 5 homemade remedy. For number 1, we are using honey and small piece of ginger. They have really good properties to cut cough and cold. Just shred the ginger and extract the juice out of it in the spoon. Take small spoon of honey with it and have your child take it in the morning, first thing in the morning before the breakfast. So for number 2, we are using jaggery, ginger powder and ghee. Let's take a bowl and take ginger powder in the bowl. 2 tablespoons of ginger powder. I'm going to have detail in the description box, so please make sure you check it out. So let's take ginger powder in a bowl. And then we're going to use same amount of jaggery powder, 2 tablespoons. Add it to the bowl. And ghee, depending upon your jaggery, if it's too liquidy jaggery, then you don't need that much ghee, but I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ghee. You may need less or more. And now mix it all well. See how it's binding together? And now make a ladoo out of it. Small ladoo that you can have it during the day, 2 or 3 times. Of course, kids won't like it, so if you want to add more jaggery to it, that's fine too. Jaggery helps cut in the cold as well. So make nice ladoos. Number 3, we're going to make golden water. So let's take 4 tablespoons of water in a bowl and boil it. And now add a pinch of salt to it and a pinch of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of ghee to it. You can add more stuff like a black pepper powder or carom seed, but it's going to make it spicy and kids won't like it. So it's just better to keep it simple. Kids can drink this about 2 tablespoons before going to bed. Now number 4, let's take 1 tablespoon of carom seed, Ajwain, in a pan, small pan, and dry roast them. Keep on stirring, and once you smell the nice aroma, you can turn off the gas. Smells good. And now take it out on clean cloth and by using the rubber band, make a knot, make a potali out of it. Tie the rubber band, and kids can smell this whole day, or you can put it by the side of the kids when they go to sleep. Number 5, we're going to take some Vicks and put it on your child's feet and rub it really well. And put socks on and go to bed. You can rub some Vicks to the chest and back. That can help child cut the cold. These are the 5 remedies I wanted to show it to you guys. Let me know which one works the best for you in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it helps you, and I'll see you next time.